respected principal, parents, teachers, and all my dear students. Today I am here to present you a speech on Doctor's Day. So first of all, I want to wish all the amazing doctors who are playing an important role in the society. Happy Doctor's Day. My name is Pragati Suraj Bangar and I am a teacher in Baba International CBSE School. I am going to deliver a speech on Doctor's Day. Doctors. Doctors are a highly respected in the world, in which their worshipped is India. By the way, man is not capable of comparing him to God, but doctor has achieved his status through his work. We call this life donor a doctor, who gives us birth to us as well as sometimes saves us from death. In the field of medicine, doctors have progressed day by day. Today, a doctor can cure the most significant disease. With the help of the wonders of science, doctors are able to reach here today. Celebrations are made to honor and salute doctors' dedication, loyalty and honesty. What is Doctor's Day celebrated? Doctor's Day is celebrated on 1st of July in India, 30th of March in USA and 27th of February in Vietnam. Since it is celebrated on different days in different countries, the history of celebrating day is also our own. Here we are going to talk about the history of Doctor's Day in India. Doctor's Day in India was started in 1991. By every year, the first date of July is established to be recognized and celebrated as the National Doctor's Day. This day was ensured to honor and pay a tribute to the legendary doctor and a Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, across India. He was born on the 1st of July 1982 in Patna city, Bihar, and died on this day 80 years later. That means his death date is also 1st of July. He completed his medical graduation from Calcutta and obtained MRCP and FRCP degrees in London, and in 1991 he returned to India. The same year he started his medical career as a doctor in India. He was a noted physician and renowned educationalist of the country, as well as a freedom fighter, because he participated in the movement made by Mahatma Gandhi and also took care of him in his past. After independence, he became the leader of the Indian National Congress Party and then later became the Chief Minister of West Bengal. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna Award in February 1961. Apart from this, Dr. B.C. Roy National Award was initiated in 1976 to remember him. The award was to pay him respect and tribute. Therefore, to honor and remember such a great personality, National Doctor's Day was started. So, we have seen on whose birthday and for why we are celebrating this National Doctor's Day. Then how to become a qualified doctor. Many students aspire to enter the medical profession and become doctors. The first step in this direction is to appear for the National Eligibility Entrance Test, that is NEET, every year to select for MBBS and BDS courses in government and private medical institutions across the country. If you want to appear in this entrance exam, then during your 11th and 12th, you must have physics, chemistry and biology as the major subjects. The minimum percentage criterion is also set for the students. Who pass the entrance examination are also required to pass the counseling so that the admission is considered to be confirmed. So this was the procedure to get into the medical field. So we have seen when the Doctor's Day is celebrated, for on whose birthday we are celebrating Doctor's Day and how to enter in the medical field. So this was all about the Doctor's Day. Once again, happy Doctor's Day to all the doctors. Thank you.